1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that allows you to earn rewards, called SB points, for completing everyday tasks. You can then redeem your SB points for gift cards or cash. Swagbucks is one of the most popular rewards websites out there and is trusted by millions of users. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a great way to make money online. You can earn cash for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Plus, you can get a $5 bonus just for signing up. It's a great way to make some extra money from the comfort of your own home. Here's how it works. First, you create an account with Inbox Dollars. Then, you take surveys and watch videos to earn cash. Once you've earned enough cash, you can withdraw it via PayPal or direct deposit. And that's it. It's a simple way to make some extra money without having to leave your house. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earning cash. Please feel free to subscribe and smash that like button if you liked the video so far. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a great way to make some extra cash. With just a few minutes of your time, you can start earning money by taking surveys. And the best part is that you can do it from anywhere with an internet connection. All you need is a computer or mobile device and you're ready to go. Survey Junkie is a legitimate company that has been around for years, so you can be sure that your information is safe and secure. Plus, they have a great reputation for paying their members on time. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, Survey Junkie is definitely worth checking out. 4. Vindale Research. You can do it anytime, anywhere, and all you need is an internet connection. It's simple to sign up, and you can start earning right away. There are a variety of ways to make money with Vindale Research, including taking surveys, watching videos, and reading emails. You can also refer your friends and earn even more cash. Best of all, Vindale Research pays out in cash, so you can immediately start using your earnings however you want. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Vindale Research today and start making money. 5. Prize Rebel. Making money is easy with PrizeRebel.com. You can get paid to watch videos, take surveys, complete offers, and more. Plus, you can cash out your earnings for PayPal cash or gift cards for your favorite stores. Sign up today and start earning. Here's how it works. Create a free account on PrizeRebel.com and start completing tasks to earn points. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards for stores like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes to get started. 6. Rakuten. If you want to make some extra money, Rakuten is a great way to do it. You can earn cash back on your everyday purchases, and it's easy to sign up. Just create an account and start shopping. When you make a purchase through Rakuten, you'll earn a certain percentage back in cash. The exact amount depends on the store where you're shopping, but it can range from 1% to 10%. And there are tons of participating stores, so you're sure to find somewhere to get cash back. Rakuten also has a referral program, so you can earn even more money by referring your friends. Signing up is free and easy, so why not give it a try? You could be earning cash back on your purchases in no time. 7. Shopkick. There are a lot of ways to make money these days, but not all of them are created equal. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash without putting in a lot of effort, Shopkick is the perfect solution. With Shopkick, you can earn rewards just by walking into stores and scanning items. No need to purchase anything or put in any extra effort, just scan and go. You can then redeem your rewards for gift cards or cash, which you can use to shop for anything you want. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra money, be sure to check out Shopkick today. 8. Cashback app. Just download the app and link your credit or debit card. Whenever you make a purchase at a participating merchant, you'll automatically earn cash back. There's no need to scan receipts or enter codes, just shop and earn. You can even get cash back on hotel stays, airline tickets, and more. Plus, you can withdraw your earnings anytime you want, with no minimum balance required. 9. Trim Savings Assistant app. Even if you're not a natural-born saver, there's no need to worry. Trim Savings Assistant is here to help. This app makes it easy to save money without putting any effort whatsoever. Simply link your bank account and Trim will analyze your spending habits. It will then offer personalized recommendations on how you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. For example, if you're subscribed to a gym membership that you never use, Trim will notify you and help you cancel it. And if you're paying too much for your car insurance, Trim will negotiate a lower rate on your behalf. Best of all, the Trim team takes a percentage of the savings they help you secure, so you can be sure that they're only giving advice that will benefit you in the long run. Ready to start saving? Download Trim Savings Assistant today. 10. Acorns Investment App. Acorns is an investment app that allows users to invest their spare change. It's a simple concept. With Acorns, you can link your credit or debit card, and every time you make a purchase, the spare change is rounded up to the nearest dollar and invested into a portfolio of ETFs. Over time, these small investments can add up, and you can watch your money grow. With Acorns, there are no minimums and no fees, so it's an easy way to start building your financial future. Plus, if you're ever in need of cash, you can quickly and easily withdraw your money from your Acorns account. I hope you enjoyed this video of the best money-making apps that actually work in 2022. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this one. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more content like this, and until next time, bye.